How to make money on GTA 6 Online. I'm going to show you how to make money on GTA 6 Online. In nightclubs, the passive income will be $50,000 per in-game day when fully optimized. Nightclubs allows players to make up to $50,000 per in-game, which roughly translates to 48 minutes in real life. In the good behavior bonus, the passive income will be $2,000 per real-time day. If you play nice, you can make up to GTA $2,000. The third one is Arcade, in which the passive income is $5,000 per in-game day when fully stocked. You can earn up to $5,000 per in-game day if you fill all the slots in the property. The next one is the Agency, with a passive income of $20,000. The fifth one is Counterfeit Cash Factory, and the passive income is $22,000 per in-game day. In GTA Online, you can buy one of 4 counterfeit cash factories, each with its own location and pricing. In Bunker Business, the passive income will be $30,000 per in-game day when fully upgraded. Bunkers can make you up to GTA for $45,000 an hour and $7.5 per unit. The seventh one is Cocaine Lockup, which is a $48,000 per in-game day upgrade. The potential profit of your cocaine lockup varies based on upgrades, with a maximum payout being GTA $35,000 per hour. The last one is Salvage Yard, in which the passive income is $5,000 per in-game day. The Salvage Yard is located in the Grand Senora Desert area, and the usual starting cost is $275,000.